Hello guys, how are you all today? Hope you are doing good. So today we are going to do the unboxing of Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the latest offering from Samsung Galaxy, and this is considered to be a beast in its price range, and this is to be competing with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have the version 256 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and it is the titanium black version. So the phone is available 256 gigabyte storage, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte, and all of the variants have 12 gigabytes of RAM. And there are different color variants are also available, like titanium blue, titanium green, titanium orange, titanium gray, black, violet, and yellow. I've got the titanium black version. Let's do the quick unboxing of the same. The color really looks nice. The packaging seems to be very minimal, and let's see what's there in the box apart from the phone. We have the SIM ejector tool. That is one good thing. Most of the companies are moving towards eSIM, and they are ditching the physical SIM tray. But one good thing about S24 Ultra is that we are still getting the physical SIM option thanks to Samsung. We have basic paperwork here, and we have the USB-C to C adapter. However, the charger block, the adapter is not given, that you can use your old adapter or you can buy a new one. This seems to be a real beast. The phone is slightly compact if I compare it with last year's S23 Ultra. Here we have the volume rocker button, we have the power button, and we have the S Pen, we have the speaker grill, the charging port for USB-C, and the SIM tray. Thanks to Samsung for giving me the SIM tray. I am not much comfortable with the eSIM. The phone is made of titanium and it looks solid. And the front is protected with the Gorilla Glass armor. Let's peel off the sticker. Wow. Satisfying sound. Notice one thing, this year's S24 Ultra all flat on the front screen. Unlike last year, we had a slightly curved edge on, but this year Samsung has made it completely flat. Although I am not much fan of the flat screen, I am more prone towards the curved edge because this gives a premium look to the phone. But anyway, a lot of people complain about the curved edge because you cannot place any screen protector on the phone, or there might be accidental touch on the phone. But anyway, I am not complaining to Samsung, but I personally prefer the curved edge. And we have the S Pen here. The color is similar to the phone color, titanium black. Let's boot this up. So this year's S24 Ultra provides the AI capabilities, and they call it advanced intelligence. So you can get the most out of your phone with this powerful feature. You can get your AI features on the phone, get real-time translation during the voice call, Samsung keyboard, change the tone of your writing, get spelling and grammar suggestion. Also, you can use the interpreter service, that is the live translation of spoken conversations. And also you can find some of the AI features features in the Samsung Notes, like automatically formatting, summarizing the notes, or the voice recorder that is transforming the recordings into text transcripts, and also in the Samsung Internet, where you can get simple summaries of web pages, text and all. And nonetheless, the photo editor is also there. Reimagine the images by moving or removing some of the objects and all. We'll look into those later, but for now let me go to the next page. This phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a 3.9 GHz CPU speed, and this has made the phone a real beast. The CPU is octa-core, and if we can do a quick performance test, so this looks really good. So there is no lag. The other specs, if I talk about, the display is 6.8 rounded corners, and the main display is dynamic AMOLED, and the max refresh rate is 120 Hz. It has S Pen support. We have 4 rear cameras here: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and 10 megapixel. And if I talk about the camera zoom, so it has optical zoom 3x and 5x, optical quality zoom 2x and 10x, and the digital zoom up to 100x. The phone comes with One UI version 6.1 installed, and this is built on Android 14, and the Play System update was 1st of July 2023. So I need to update this phone to the latest version. Let's talk about the camera now. So the camera we have is the maximum megapixel that we can get here is the 200 megapixels. So this is the best in the market, as you can see here. Also we can use 50 megapixel or 12 megapixel. Also the zoom is there. Zoom, we can go to 100x zoom, but that has been created digitally with the help of AI. But we have the 30x zoom, optical zoom. So if you are a pro photographer, you can use the pro mode here. So if you can go to more settings here, we have pro mode and different other modes as well. Expert raw and everything is there. Slow-mo, night, panorama, food, all of these things are already given. If you go to the pro mode, you can see all of the things are customizable, like ISO, speed, EV, center, WB, whatever the lens you want to use. All of these things you can use. Anyway, this is about already existing wallpapers, but we can generate new wallpapers as well. So go to the creative section and click on the generative. Here we can use AI to generate few new wallpapers. So here we can select our style and we can click generate. Let's look at the brightness now. So S24 Ultra has 2600 nits of brightness. That is really bright. Even I have tested the phone while I was out in the sun, and you can actually turn off this adaptive brightness to get the extra brightness here. This will make your screen really bright. Also, let's look at the wallpaper. So the wallpaper is a moving wallpaper. I really like this one, and if you want to change it, you just go and change wallpaper. There are different style of wallpaper that you can use. Also, you can generate AI to generate your wallpaper. Let's have a look at the build quality of the phone. So it is made of titanium and it looks really firm on my hand. The finishing is really good. It doesn't add too much weight on the phone because of the titanium, but it definitely gives a good polished look on the phone. Let's look at the battery capacity of this one. So it has 5000 milliampere battery. I really wish next time Samsung increase the battery capacity. Because of this high quality screen, all of the AI stuff's happening at the back end, there might be need of more battery. So let's check out the S Pen now. S Pen feels really smooth here. Also test some of the AI features like circle to search. So we have to hold on this button and then we can search for this. As you can see, it can easily search with what you have in circle. So that's it for now, guys. I think I have covered most of the important sections in S24 Ultra. Please do watch, like and subscribe my video, and let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.